Hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you the best way to run multiple accounts in Roblox at the same time. Before we start, please give this video a like and subscribe. And then let's get into the tutorial. First thing you need to do is go to the description of this video and visit the official website of extension. Here's what it looks like. Next, you need to download the extension itself. Once you have downloaded it, click the three dots here. Go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and make sure Developer Mode is enabled. Drag your downloaded extension here, and if it looks like mine, you've done everything right. Next, open the Roblox page and launch the extension. Then add all the accounts you need. Once you've added them, open the page for the game you want. Launch Roblox using your first account. Switch to your next account and launch the game from there as well. As you can see, everything is working for me. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye!